Welcome back. I hope y'all having a great day so far. I talked in the past about, that I make home candles. And I want to show you how to turn this, a plain simple cup, into a super cute gift idea for any occasion. It could be for anything, even just for yourself. And you can do this in your house, in your basement, wherever you wanted to do this. So you do not have to have a just set place to do this. So why don't you come along and I'll show you how to make one. I got my soy wax I'm going to be using, my spoon. I got some dye I'm going to be using for the candles. And this is the scent I'm going to be using right here. It's called Blueberry Muffin. It smells so good. And here's the cup I'm going to transfer into something really gorgeous. So let's get started. So I'm going to set my pot that I get a little, like a metal bowl, and I put some of my wax in it, and I'm going to add a little bit more wax to it, and let it start to go melt very slowly. And I'm going to take myself time with it up here because, like I said, it's a gas stove, and I don't want it to get it too hot to work with it. Melt here slowly. What I always normally kind of like to do, I like to take my spoon right here and start moving the wax. So because when you do, let me turn it down just a little lower, because when you stir it like this, when it starts melting, it doesn't clog up as much and it's easier to work with, and it doesn't take as long for the wax to melt. So I'm going to be doing this for just a little while and start until it starts melting. And you can start and see how it's starting to melt just slowly already. I like having the gas stove and everything, but making candles, I prefer the electric stove, the electric plate downstairs. So, but you got what you got, and that's what you use. I love making candles. It's one of my found passion that I did not know that I have. So I just love it. While this is melting, I'm going to go ahead and take my wick right here and my cup and my little sticker that I'm going to stick on right here. Trying to do it like there in the center. Right like this. Let me show you a little bit closer. So I kind of like stick it right there in the middle right here. Okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and peel it and get it ready to put inside my cup. And I'm going to I try always kind of find the perfect center for it, but it's sometimes really hard. So you kind of eyeball the best you can. And that is so off center. There we go. Then I push it down so it will stick better. And here you go. And then I'm going to use my little wick holder that I got. I'm going to set it on top of it. And now I just have to wait for my for my wax to melt. Here's the wax melting. It's looking really good, so I'm just going to wait just a little longer until it's almost all gone. I'm going to be stirring it just a little bit here and there so the temperature will drop in, because if it's too hot, when you put the scent inside of it, it will kind of goes away faster. So I'm going to let it cool down for just a little bit, and I'm going to, while it's cooling down, I'm going to add some of this wax down. the coloring down. And I'm going to be using purple. And I might go ahead and have to set it in here one more time to get that color turned around more. Well, maybe not. It's melting pretty good. It's, like I said, it's pretty hot. And I'm going for like a blueberry kind of color. So I'm just going to add just a little bit purple and blue together just to give that certain hint of color. So, and then I'm just going to go ahead and stir it. Check my temperature, and it's 64, so that's pretty good. And I'm going to go ahead and stir it just a little longer. Here you go. And now I'm getting ready to put my blueberry muffin scent in here. It smells so yummy. You seriously, y'all just want to eat this. I wish I could smell this. And I'm going to do about 2 teaspoons, since I'm not, maybe 3. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do 3 teaspoons. Every scent is different, so you're going to have to play with it and how much scent you want in it. If, you know, you don't want it very strong and you do have allergies like I do, I don't like my candles very strong. So this is a great combination that I found for myself, and it seems to work out really, really good. But like I said, if you want it to be stronger, you just add more to it. And there are so many kinds of, you know, scent you can use, and different kind of companies. So whatever company that you like to go with, this is what I would recommend, because everybody likes different stuff. So, alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and check one more time. Hold it, and it's 61. Can y'all see that? So that's ready. I'm going to take my cup that I got right here, and I'm just going to switch around. Here we go. And I'm going to make sure it's kind of off balance just a little bit. Now again, be very, very careful when you do this, okay? Because it is hot. So I'm going to go ahead and go from here so y'all can see this better. It's kind of hard to do when you're trying to record this. Okay, here we go. Hopefully I'm not making a big mess. I'm gonna pour it in. Just kind of stop before it touches the metal piece right there, because you don't want it to stick on it, because when you take that, after it dries and you take it off. So I'm going to stop right here, and I do have some left, so I'm going to make another one. So when I do have extra wax left over, and you know, instead of wasting it, I'll go ahead and make a couple more candles. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this glass that I got that I never ever use. They just sit in the cabinet, so I know everybody has stuff sitting around the house, so you can use it anything that you want to. And I'm going to go ahead and pour some of this wax into this glass. So I'm going to go ahead and put some tape right here for the tool that I got right here. I'm going to place on my plate. So I'm kind of going to go for like a kind of wintry kind of scenery a little bit for my cup, and for it to stick, because I push it a little bit down. And all what it does is just to keep the tool in one place and won't slide around as much. And I'm going to add a little bit right here. And then I'm going to have a little bird I'm going to be placing to it, and some greenie right here. So the candle has hardened, and there's like a little spot right there. I'm going to go ahead and just be very careful with it. I'm going to go ahead and snip the wick. Just give it enough room so, you know, it's not too short, not too long. So you don't want it too long. I'm going to clip it off. Again, I'm going to put some tape I'm going to roll up again like this. Stick it right here in the middle where the plate's going to be. Well, the cup's going to be. And I'm going to place it like this on top of the area where the circle is right here. This one has like a little clip on it, so I can change it out if I wanted to. So I'm just going to set it right here. Move it over just a little. There you go. Maybe I have to put a little tape on there. Got a little tape right here. Because I kind of want it to look like it's like sitting in a nest kind of thing. There we go. And then I'm going to add a little greenery. Put some right here. And some right here. Oh, maybe right here. There we go. This was super fun to make, and I love making those candles. And you can take an ordinary cup and turn it into something super, super cute. And I wish I could smell this. It smells so wonderful. I really like working with the soy wax instead of the beeswax. And I do, like I said before, you can use any scent that you like. And there are so many companies out there who, you know, who make scents. So it's really up to you what you want to use. I use Natural Garden scent, and I just really love that company. The way they make that scent, it just smells so real. And I'm not kidding when I say you really want to eat this. And that's just been a hit wherever I've been, you know, taking those for gifts, whatever it is, any occasion really. They've always been a hit, and they just turn out really super cute. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, don't be afraid to make your own things. I love making candles. I love making signs, and I have a couple projects I wanted to do here in the near future. So, but turning into a simple cup into something very adorable. I mean, you know, who would not like that? Alright, one project done. I really enjoy making those. Well, if y'all enjoy the videos that I make and the content of my videos, please push subscribe. It would really help me out a lot. The like button, you know, also. And if you want to, make sure you push that bell button so YouTube will let you know when the next video is coming out. And also, my next one will be how to turn this super cute class into a super cute gift. See y'all around. God bless y'all. Bye.